it was flat. It was very hard to convince somebody that Earth is round. And whole religion, whole society, everything was based on that. Governance law, everything was that. Any guy who was smart at that time, who told the first time, no, Earth is flat, Earth is not flat, Earth is round or something like this, he would have been called stupid. Nobody would have believed him. All the society will come behind to kill him. All the religion will come behind to kill him. Any research which I was doing, nobody would support him. Nobody would marry this guy. He will be an outcast. Even he will have death threats. Even people will try to take death of this guy. Any student or disciple of him has to suffer. Anything who is related with this guy, they has to suffer. And it was such an important truth at that time, because whole machinery, compass, whatever, like all the things which we get now, that was initial breakthrough information. If we didn't knew that Earth was round, we do not have this technology what we have right now. We would be so technically, scientifically way behind. So that was a very important information. But for a natural eye, everybody thought it's a straight. Still, the date we have flat Earth theories, guys. Like there are so many people still thinks this everything is propaganda, and the Earth is flat. I'm telling you, girls, why I'm telling this story. There is a very important lesson for you guys in the end, but I don't want to reveal that now. You have to watch the next few series for this one to get, because I want to give you the prerequisite to understand that thing. If you know it early, I don't think you will understand that. So you have to go through my story. You have to bear my boring story. I don't. I in my head I don't think it's boring. I'm trying to be humble. So yeah, was very tough time to convince people that Earth was round. People has to sacrifice a lot. People had literally given lives to do that. And after some point, they were able to prove it. There was some experiment to show that yeah, Earth is curved or something like that, without actually going to atmosphere. There was no cameras at that time or something. There was no rockets or something. Without those, we have to prove. There was like sea experiment with poles or something, right? Different kind of pole was buried on the sea or something like this, and it was looked through telescope, and their height was like low and down or something like this. Even though with that experiment, a lot of common people still didn't got convinced that Earth was not sphere; it was flat. I would have not felt if my family was not educated or something, I would have not believed it. A lot of common folks didn't believe it. A lot of people only believed when the photograph and everything people saw this or something like this, when they draw maps or something like this. When they actually somebody